Your boss wants this horizontal table to be vertical. Do not retype it manually. Here are two ways to flip data instantly. Method 1. Paste Special. Copy your table, right-click on an empty cell, Paste Special, Transposed. Boom, done. But this is static data. Method 2. The formula. Type equals transpose. It needs only one argument, the array. Just select your original table, close parentheses, enter. Now, if you change the original data, the vertical list updates too. But be careful with method 2. The new table is read-only. If you try to change a number directly here, watch what happens. The whole table breaks. Reference error. Why? Because the formula needs empty space to spill. Delete your typing to fix it. So, use method 1 if you want to edit manually. Use method 2 for automatic dashboards. Subscribe for more Sheets logic.